hit the dirt when the rooster calls. Picking up my hat off the old wood wall. Couple bucks in my pocket, but I'm rich in my soul. Cold brew, chilling while the bonfire burns. Small town, stepping where the big hearts roam. Pool table open, about to take somebody's dough. Simple kind of living with a bankroll gold. There ain't nothing wrong with a little country song. My rock truck's old, but she purr like a dream. Songs on the radio, toolbox ready for anything. Grass in the back, my buddy's riding shotgun. Credit score good, got the paperwork done. John Deere cap sitting sideways on my head. Got the gal with the curls and the boots in my bed. Don't mind getting dirty, she keeps my jeans clean. Pour me another round, toast up good old memories. Boots hit the dirt when the rooster calls. Picking up my hat off the old wood wall. Couple bucks in my pocket, but I'm rich in my soul. Cold brew chilling while the bonfire burns. Small town stepping when the big hearts roam. Pool table open, about to take somebody's dough. Simple kind of living with a bankroll gold. There ain't nothing wrong with a little country song. Four-wheeler tires kicking up that clay. Only grill cooking dogs, it's a really nice day. Hard what pays, got land in my name. Cows in the pasture, checks in the bank. City boys talk, but they don't know the grind. Cutting that lawn, rain or shine. Kayaking with my kinfolk, fishing with the grandson. About to swipe my credit card for a cabin up in Branson. Boots hit the dirt when the rooster calls. Digging up my hat off the old wood wall. Couple bucks in my pocket, but I'm rich in my soul. Gold Mount chilling while the bonfire burns. Small town stepping where the big mud's long. Pool table open, out to cook somebody's dough. Simple kind of living with a bankroll gold. Ain't nothing wrong with a little country song.